Yo guys, what's going on? Okay, so this video is gonna be about the sounds of summer 2011, and we're gonna go back and reminisce summer 2010. I made like 2 playlists on my iPod of all the songs that I think should be they're just gonna make up the summer of 2011, and I wanted to reminisce because I like to reminisce. I went back to summer of 2010, which was the best summer of my life, and I found a bunch of songs that me and my friends used to listen to, and I put them all into one playlist. But I narrowed it down to the top 5 of 2010 and top 5 of 2011. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share these lovely sounds of the summer with you guys. Oh yeah, let's do this. Number 1, 2010. Sometimes say ayo, I wanna celebrate Christmas. Ayo, baby, let's go, 'cause we gon' rock this club. We gon' go all night. No might. Anyway, next song, number 2. Party with us, you'll be falling in love. Oh, California girls, we're unforgettable. Daisy Duke, bikinis on top, sun-kissed skin so hot we'll melt your oxygen. California girls, number 2. It's gotta be. Memories, memories, memories. Number 3. Stereo Love. Stereo Love. Number 3. I don't know if I said 2, but okay. Number 1 is Dynamite. Number 2 is California Girls. Number 3 is Stereo Love. Number 4. Hey.
Baby, like smooth. What? Can you teach me how to tell it? You know, put your arms out front, link. I'm a demon all day. Niggas love to hate. Teach me how to tell it. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my Dougie.
Teach me how to Dougie. Number 4. And number 5 is Bruised Water is number 5. So, number 1, Dynamite. Number 2, California Girls. Number 3, Stereo Love. Number 4, Teach Me How to Dougie. And number 5, Bruised Water. So, those are my top 5 for summer 2010. Now, let's go back to now. Top of 2011. Number 1. Give me everything tonight. Oh, we know we might not get tomorrow. Let's do it tonight. Give me everything tonight. Number 1 in my eyes. Number 2. Party Rock Anthem by LMFAO. Number 2. Number 3. On the floor. Number 3, On the Floor. Number 4. is number 4. Number 5 is...
Never felt like this before. Come on, get me on the floor. DJ, what you waiting for?
Till the World Ends by Britney Spears. So, number 1, summer 2011. Give me everything tonight. Party Rock is in the house tonight. Party Rock anthem number 2. Number 3, tonight we're pumping it on the floor. That's number 3. And number 4 is I'm on the Edge of Glory by Lady Gaga. And number 5 is Keep on Dancing Till the World Ends by Britney Spears. I know I can't sing, guys. I know. Just being, afraid. But, yep, those are my summer playlists, and those are my top 5s of summer 2010 and 2011. So, if you guys enjoyed that, and I know you didn't enjoy my singing, don't worry. I'm not going to sing again. Bye, guys!